Guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hello. My name is Nikita. Thank you so much for stopping by. First of all, I would like to thank you guys for 200 subscribers. That means a lot to me. I think if you're following me, you would know that I wanted to reach 200 subscribers since a very long period of time, and now that I have reached it, it feels so surreal. I'd like to thank each and everyone who has subscribed to my channel. That if you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for that. And so for today's video, I am going to be creating this look that I'm wearing right now, the quick makeup tutorial for Rakshabandhan, because I know everybody likes dressing up for Rakshabandhan. If you are interested, please keep on watching. Whenever I'm wearing Indian, I don't like to do my base. I just usually skip my base because usually I'm going to moisturize my face. To keep my skin glowing, I think all of you all know, so I use my primer. This is by Oriflame. I'm going to take my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer only on my under eye. I also highlight my usual areas. Take a buffing brush and I'm going to blend everything in. There you go, that's it. That's all I do for my base. I'll quickly set my base with this Lakme loose powder. Put this powder on the areas where I have applied my concealer, not all around my face. I'm going to do my eyes. So for eyes, I like to keep it very bold because I'm wearing Indian. I like to nicely highlight my black eyes that I have. So I'm going to put this darkest brown shade all over my eyelid. I'm going to take my Maybelline's Eye Studio Gel Lip Liner and apply just a little line on my upper eyelash. Take a pencil brush and just smudge it around. Then I'm going to take the same liner and just apply it on my lower lash line. I'm going to take a brush and some black eyeshadow and I'm going to just put it around my eyes so that it just doesn't smudge. Take the same dark brown eyeshadow and put it around my lower lash line as well. Pretty much it. I am going to curl my eyelashes now and I'm going to apply some mascara using Maybelline's Lash Sensational Waterproof Mascara. Now I'm going to quickly do my eyebrows off camera and I'll be back in a to do my bronzing, tiny amount so that it gives more definition to my face. I'm going to use my Sugar Cosmetics Woody Wonder bronzer. I'm going to apply some highlighter, usual Maybelline Master Strobing Stick. I'm going to complete this look using my favorite nude liquid lipstick and my favorite nude lip liner. This is the complete look, you guys. This will take hardly 15 minutes for you to do it. Please do give this look a try and let me know on my social medias how it went. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press that notification bell so that you'll get notified each time I upload. And I wish you all a very happy Raksha Bandhan / Rakhi, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.